So Riti, a lot of people today live in a joint family with in-laws or maybe even bigger joint families. So how do they sort of navigate this that, even if, let's not take it to the baby-led weaning level, but even if we talk about just having a positive relationship with food and trying to do things your way, how do you sort of advise such parents?
So I would highly suggest people to first of all make them aware. People before you jump onto an approach or before challenging what they are saying, make them aware. It could be show them, come to my page, show them my videos which I put or the concepts which I share. There are a lot of videos on YouTube. Just search them. It just try and show them. Maybe especially if you would show them an Indian child, because mostly they would feel that baby led weaning is a foreign concept
Yes.
and people invest to it, but it's not true. So showing them how people in India are also following the same approach, and and even if I do wrong, there are people to help me.
Yeah.
So awareness is what you would need. And I understand that not every grandparent will be welcoming to that
Yeah.
awareness, but this is where we should step up.
Hmm.
And especially you should step up with your spouse, like if both of you are doing it together, rather than it, because it can't be you versus them.
Yeah.
Both of you want better for the child, both of you love they love their grandchild, you love your child. So uh, help and make them participate. So if you will keep, maybe sometimes keeping them on the side makes them feel a little that I'm not involved in the child's life. So help them participate, because I've seen this happening in front of me. I have been recommended to mothers from dadi's circle. Like the dadi goes to her kitty parties,
Huh.
and that is where she heard about me, and
Oh,
she came
wow.
and told her daughter-in-law, and that is how the daughter-in-law reached out to me. And there
Wow.
have been multiple instances like this. Then there are times when I worked with parents who both of them are working in this. They were doctors, they were surgeons. It was impossible for them to be present during the meal times, and the nanny pulled off the entire session. So it has happened multiple times over 5 years. What I worked with parents. So it is not impossible. It's just what lacks here is maybe sometimes we don't take enough effort. We also think, okay, चलो
Yeah.
start कर देते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होगा. And then एक दिन बच्चा नहीं खाया, so we start getting worried. 2 दिन नहीं खाया, we start getting worried. तीसरे दिन भी नहीं खाया, we are like, अब तो कुछ नहीं होगा, बेबी लेट वीनिंग हटाओ, कुछ नहीं करना है, and we'll just do what
Yeah.
others are saying. तो खुद भी अवेयर हो, लोगों को भी अवेयर कराओ, and do it together rather than you versus them. And that should help.
I think a lot of times, even if parents want to do it and they're very convinced of it, constantly hearing from your own family members that, ये नहीं खा रहा है या खाएगा नहीं तो पतला रह जाएगा, and those kind of comments that you get, it really impacts you.
Yeah, it does.
And it impacts your entire, like the entire construct that you have in your mind of how you want things to be. You start doubting that, right? Because we're all doing it for the first time. There's no rule book. We don't know how it's going to turn out. There's no instant gratification here. So that constant nagging also sort of
Gets on to us.
gets to us, and we end up like, okay, fine. Let's just give them the khichdi. Give them the dal ka pani. At least khayega, and I won't have to hear what I'm hearing right now. So when a parent comes to you with this, what do you say?
So a lot of times when this happens, of course, it may be because of the fact that someone else told them something. Could be anybody, relative, chachi or dadi or anybody. But somewhere down the line, I feel वो parents भी थोड़ा unsure होते हैं. उनमें भी वो confidence नहीं आ पाता. They also तो जब हम वैसे ही unsure होते हैं, उस पे भी if people start commenting on it, we become really demoralized, and then we are like कि नहीं करेंगे, हमसे तो होगा ही नहीं. So which is why I said कि पहले तो you have to be really sure about. Don't do it because the world is doing it, or you see on Instagram कि एक बच्चे को वो एक plate दी खाने की and he finished it.
Yeah.
That's very untrue. और अगर हुआ भी, suppose that बच्चा has actually reached a point where he is able to finish an entire meal, he has gone through a process.
Yeah.
वो process आपने नहीं देखा, आपने बस देखा कि उसको दिया और वो खत्म हो गया. Right? So the important thing is कि first you believe in the process,
Yeah.
that I can do this. and if you are believing it and someone else comes and tell you कि ये नहीं workout करेगा, this is where shifting your making them also aware comes. और आपने जहाँ से अपनी awareness ली है उनको भी वहीं से दो कि okay let's do it together mummy, why can't both of us sit and do it together. देखो वो खाएगा, आप ना अपना खाना खाओ, मैं अपना खाना खाती हूँ, he will eat. Let's just give him the space. So which is why I said participate करवाओ उनको. This will help because you have to live in a family. नहीं तो last होता है डॉक्टर का कार्ड खेलो. If you really want to do it and you know nothing is working out, say डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि you know, and I wish you have a you know pro BLW pediatrician which is another problem to solve, but if you have one you can always, you know,
please tell me one if you know one.
I know one.
Okay, I'll take that contact from you because I haven't found one
oh,
so
really?
far. Yeah.
Mine is actually, yeah.
That's great. Okay. So, you know, when you mentioned like tell them about it, talk to them about it, and when they westernize the concept, so it reminded me of how I talked to my in-laws and my parents about it. I told them that think about it like 70 years ago. Mothers didn't have the time to make purees for the child. They didn't have the time कि बैठ के you know अलग से दाल का पानी बना रहे हैं कर रहे हैं. They would just serve food for everyone and the child would just go and eat from everyone's plate. अब वो रोटी भी खा रहा है, fruits भी खा रहा है, finger foods खा रहा है. So what's the difference? How is this a Western concept?
Exactly.
It originated in India, right?
Exactly.
Like it just baffles me that we've come so far from that today it has been termed as a Western concept.
It's just, as I said, convenience-based knowledge.
True.
Nothing
True,
else.
true.
I'll give you an example. My own dadi, like my dadi, my papa, there are 11 brothers and sisters. Like, तो छोटी-मोटी community
community होती है, exactly.
अब would you think कि मेरे सबसे बड़े पापा को और मेरे चाचा को सबको दादी ने खाना खिलाया होगा running? Not possible.
Yeah.
No. I mean, my papa grew up seeing my you know my बड़े पापास कि वो लोग खा रहे हैं, वो लोग जैसे करें मैं उनके साथ बैठ के खा लेता हूँ. So again, this might not be possible अभी क्योंकि हाँ 11 बच्चे नहीं हैं, किसी के 2 बच्चे हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं, but the mindset remains the same, right? The children learn,
yeah.
They see and learn.
Yeah.
What they will see, they will learn. In fact, they learn also on हम जैसे सामान पकड़ते. If you will keep, like if you are one of those people who will try to hold like 5 things together in your hand, you will notice your toddler will also do it.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So it's like monkey see, monkey do.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what we have to, you know, show it to our children.
Right.
And it all works out. It's just about taking that first step, coming out of your comfort zone a bit, and believing in the process.